Number 1. Play cricket. It means to participate in the sport of cricket.
He likes to play cricket on weekends. He likes to play cricket on weekends. They play cricket at the local club. They play cricket at the local club. Many children in India play cricket. Many children in India play cricket.
Number 2. Play bitterly. It means to play with intense negative emotions.
They played bitterly after the controversial call. They played bitterly after the controversial call. The teams played bitterly in the final game. The teams played bitterly in the final game. He played bitterly against his former team. He played bitterly against his former team.
Number 3. Go cycling. It means to ride a bicycle as an activity.
She goes cycling in the park often. She goes cycling in the park often. We go cycling every Sunday morning. We go cycling every Sunday morning. Let's go cycling along the river tomorrow. Let's go cycling along the river tomorrow.
Number 4. Cyclist dismount. It means a command for cyclists to get off their bicycles.
Sign says, cyclists dismount at the crossing. Sign says, cyclists dismount at the crossing. Cyclists dismount when entering crowded areas. Cyclists dismount when entering crowded areas. At the bridge, all cyclists must dismount. At the bridge, all cyclists must dismount.
Number 5. Defeat a team. It means to win a competition against another team.
Our school team defeated their rivals yesterday. Our school team defeated their rivals yesterday. They aim to defeat the champion team. They aim to defeat the champion team. We defeated the visiting team last night. We defeated the visiting team last night.